So your weed whacker is probably different from mine, but the same basic concept applies no matter what weed whacker you're trying to replace the line on. The first thing you want to do is remove this bottom cover piece. And if you look, there's a red button right here and on the opposite side. And what you want to do is push them in and this cover will come right off. Now underneath is the spool. And if you look, on one side it says which way you're supposed to wind it up, and on the side closest to the motor has all the locking gears. So this side goes down toward the motor. So you get your weed whacker line, and if you're looking for some good, inexpensive weed whacker line, I'll put a link down in the description for some on Amazon. And two things you could do. You could either leave it in the spool and just wind it up until you get the right length, or you could cut about 5-6 feet of line, and that should be plenty. Now, one trick to learn is you don't just hold it and start winding it on there. If you look right on the inside here, there's a little groove, and that allows you to push the line in there and it locks it. See how that's locked in now? That way it just won't unspool on its own. Now you look on the front and it says rewind line this way, and you just wind it up in the direction it says. You don't want to fill it up too much, but that's a good amount on there now. Next is you want to put this back on the spool, but you have to feed it through this little metal opening here on the bottom. So you have to feed the line through that opening first. Then you set it the correct way down. And now it should be set in there, pretty much locked in place. Now you can set the cover back in, and there you go. If you want to adjust the line out, there is a button right here, a black button on the side. If you push that button as you pull on the line, it allows you to pull more line out, just like that. So that's all there is to it. It should take no more than a minute or two, but I hope this helps. Thanks.